Welcome back to the channel Break from Fear with Terry Pickkins. This is a channel where I provide an education about a download I had over 20 years ago. Today, we're looking at some of the symptoms of survival mode and inviting you to take a closer look. What if the anxiety, the overthinking and fear you've been trying to fix were never the real problem? Most people spend years trying to manage their symptoms. Anxiety, ADD, ADHD, feeling emotionally overwhelmed. But they keep coming back because no one ever explains why this is happening. The truth is, your system may be stuck in something called survival mode. It's a hidden pattern in your nervous system that gets activated early, often in early childhood, and it keeps you in a constant state of stress, fear, and mental noise, even when life is fine. That's why you can't switch your mind off. That's why you feel on edge for no apparent reason. That's why the same patterns keep repeating. And until you understand this, you'll keep trying to fix symptoms that aren't the real cause. I am hosting a free live training where I'll break this down step by step, and I'll show you how to finally get out of survival mode. If you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or like nothing is really working, this will give you the answers you've probably never heard before. Click the link, register your spot, and I'll see you inside.